Hey runners, welcome to RunFocused. Today we're talking about something that makes us love running even more, the awesome and mysterious runner's high. In this video, we're going to break down what it is, why it happens, and how you can experience it too. So what's runner's high? Imagine this, you're running, and suddenly all the pain and tiredness just disappear. You feel amazing, like you're floating, and everything is just awesome. That's runner's high. But guess what? It's not magic. It's your brain doing some cool science stuff. Okay, let's talk science, but in a fun way. For a long time, people thought it was all about endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. And yeah, endorphins help. But there's more to the story. Meet anandamide, a fancy chemical that makes you feel super happy and relaxed. It's like your body's own version of the stuff in marijuana, but totally natural. When you run, your body makes more anandamide, and it goes to your brain to make you feel great. Now, here's the thing. Not everyone gets runner's high. Why? Well, it depends on stuff like how fast and long you run, your body type, and even your genes. But don't worry, most people can get it with the right effort. Usually, running at a good pace for about 30 minutes does the trick. 5 fun ways to get runner's high. Let's talk about how you can boost your chances of feeling this amazing high. Here are 5 fun and easy tips. First, start slow, go fast. Begin your run slow, and then pick up the pace. Second, feel your run. Pay attention to your breathing and how your feet hit the ground. Third, run in nature. Try running in parks or trails. Nature makes everything better. Fourth, pump up the jams. Listen to music that gets you excited and makes you want to move. And finally, run with friends. Running with buddies can make it more fun and boost those happy chemicals. Let's bust some myths. You don't have to be a super athlete or run a marathon to get runner's high. It's not about running until you drop. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're comfortable and enjoying the run. Getting runner's high regularly isn't just about feeling good while you run. It can make you happier, less stressed, and even help you think better in the long run. It's like a free mood booster and brain sharpener. So, there you have it, the scoop on runner's high. It might take some practice, but with these tips, you'll be floating on your runs in no time. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more running tips. And hey, share your runner's high stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep running and stay focused.